Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make smoky oven baked jollof rice. This jollof rice is so delicious and so easy to make. Continue watching to find out how I make the tomato sauce that I use for this jollof rice. To make the sauce for this jollof rice, I'll be using plum tomatoes. This is the best tomato to use if you want to have a delicious tomato sauce. So I've already cut the tomatoes. I'll be adding them into the oven tray. I'll be using red and yellow bell pepper. Feel free to use any pepper of your choice. So I've already cut them. I'll also add the sliced onion and ginger into the oven tray. I'll be using the roasting method for this recipe. I'll also add the scotch bonnet, then I'll put into the oven and allow to roast. I like using the oven method because it saves time. I'll be using the same opportunity to grill the chicken and roast the tomato, and it gives this sauce a unique and smoky taste. After about 35 minutes, the roasted tomato is ready. I'll allow to cool before blending. This roasting method intensifies the flavor of the tomato mixture. I can perceive the aroma. Then I will add into the blender. I'll be using fresh rosemary and basil leaf. Feel free to use any spice of your choice. Add everything into the blender, cover and blend into a smooth puree. When I'm done blending, you can see how colorful and thick the tomato mixture is. Then into a preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. I'll add the sliced onion. I'll allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. While the onion is still frying, I will add some curry powder. I will add tomato paste. Stir to fry to avoid burning and also to remove the raw taste of the tomato paste. Tomato paste have changed. I'll start adding the blended tomato mixture. Then I'll stir to fry. I'll be stirring while the tomato sauce is frying. I'll add bay leaf and stir. I'll be washing my rice. I'll be using basmati rice for this jollof rice. So I'll add the rice into the water and wash to remove any dirty. When I'm done washing the rice, I will sieve to remove the excess water and allow to drain. As you can see, the tomato sauce is almost ready because I used the roasting method, so I don't need to fry it for a long time. So I'll be adding the chicken stock, stir to boil, to simmer for about 2 minutes, then I'll turn off the heat. Sauce is ready, so I'll be adding the quantity of the tomato sauce that I want to use into the oven tray. When I'm done adding the tomato sauce, I'll add the washed rice and mix to toast into the tomato sauce. When I'm done toasting the rice into the sauce, I'll be adding some water to cook the rice. I'm using hot water because I want it to quicken the baking process. Salt and add if needed, so I'll be adding some salt and stock cube. I will stir gently to mix together. When I'm done stirring, I will cover with foil. Put into a preheated oven and allow to bake. After about 35 minutes, I will bring out from the oven and stir to mix properly. I will cover again and put into the oven to continue cooking. The oven to bake for about 10 minutes, then the rice is ready. After about 10 minutes, the smoky oven baked jollof rice is ready. It smells so good and tastes so delicious. I hope you try this recipe and thank you all for watching.